Shikshayati, platform for eminent authors, engaging teachers, successful students. To know more, email. Rectification of errors. The errors are rectified through passing of necessary journal entries. To arrive at the rectification entry, create table with 3 sections. In first section, write the correct entry, the entry that should have been passed in the books. In the second section, write the wrong entry, the entry that have already been passed wrongly in the books. In the third section, write the derived rectification entry. This is the difference between the wrong and correct entry. The wrong entry in the second section and the rectification entry in the third section would result in the correct entry in the first section. Stages of rectification. Rectification of error before preparation of trial balance. Rectification of one-sided error. To rectify one-sided error, journal entry can be passed only the relevant ledgers are either debited or credited. Rectification of two-sided error. To rectify two-sided error, suitable journal entry is passed. Rectification of error after preparation of trial balance but before preparation of final accounts. Rectification of one-sided error. To rectify one-sided error, journal entry is passed via suspense account. Rectification of two-sided error. To rectify two-sided error, suitable journal entry is passed via suspense account. Rectification of error after preparation of final accounts. Rectification of one-sided error. To rectify one-sided error, journal entry is passed via suspense account. Rectification of two-sided error. In case of two-sided error, as final accounts is prepared, all nominal accounts are closed by transferring to trading and profit and loss account. Real and personal accounts are carried forward in the accounting year. Suspense account if any is carried in the next accounting year. If it has debit balance, it will appear in the balance sheet under current assets. If it has credit balance, it will appear in the balance sheet under current liabilities. Errors in nominal accounts are rectified by the profit and loss adjustment account. Thank you for watching the video. Kindly write your comments. Click on the red subscribe button at the bottom of the video to get more details and free ebook. Email us.